Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys something on CapCut you may not know about. So maybe you do, but I've only seen this. So go to track settings, go to track height, and you can adjust how long, like how tall or like short you want your track to be. So if you want it to be tall, you can absolutely do that. If you want it to be super short, you can absolutely do that as well. I like the default one, which is the normal one. They also have it for like the audio. So select track height. Oh, actually they just have it for the video, but there's also this audio waveform size, 30%, 60%, which is, I think, this one. I'll get one with like actual like sound in it. So let me just... So you can like see the like waveform here. Let me do the tall one, and then you can adjust the size of the waveform here. And that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!